So there's increasing evidence that consumers in the US and in many other countries are concerned with the ethical properties of the products that they buy on a daily basis. And companies are increasingly aware of this. And so one of the mechanisms that has evolved is this idea of ethical product certifications, where sort of companies say, okay, our product is, for example, fair trade certified, has been produced under ethical standards. We are trying to assess whether this approach actually works on the producer end, whether it improves the livelihood of small-scale farmers, and whether it works on the consumer end, whether consumers are actually willing to pay more for products that they know have been produced under more ethical standards. And so as part of that, I'm currently involved in a large-scale study that is looking at the impact of fair trade certification on cocoa farmers in Ghana. We are interviewing farmers in these villages before and after the certification, and we see whether the changes of these farmers that are getting certified compare favorably with the changes that similar farmers experience that don't get certified. MIT is an ideal place to engage in this kind of research because I can draw upon the experience of other faculty in this area. I can draw on MIT's resources. For example, as part of this project, we are also testing the water quality. And so I called up the water engineering department here, and they had just developed an off-the-grid water test that we could just put right to our numerators and test this in the field. And so there's a tremendous amount of very useful collaboration here at MIT.